to the channel. It is the 27th of August. We are taking a look here at Aerodrome Finance / the United States dollar. This will be a daily chart. This will be the data from Coinbase. Taking a look here, we had a nice little update in the markets yesterday for Tuesday, the 26th. And we'll talk about some moves to the upside, some short-term price targets. We'll drop into some market sentiment. We'll take a look at Bitcoin. Check out Aerodrome Finance on CoinMarketCap and a couple other things there. So taking a zoom in here on the charts, we had a nice update yesterday, closed higher in price for Tuesday, closed up 4.5%. Today we are down a little bit, down just under 2%, and we do have a nice market higher low so far here today, which is good to see. Basically, don't want to take out yesterday's lows at 125.023. We want to hold those lows. We want to print a higher low. That just tells us that, at least for today, the selling is over, and we look at the markets one day at a time. So that's what we want to see. As far as price, we didn't make it down, which is a good thing. We didn't make it down to 122. That's our next level of support. As we march higher here, assuming prices continue to do that, we will look for some resistance here at 139. That's our next level. We're trading at 131 at the moment. Again, $1.39 is our next level of potential market resistance. That's hurdle number one. A couple hurdles here. Hurdle number two will be our 153. Hurdle number three will be 157, and then 160. And then I have a price target up here at $1.77. So let's put that on the screen here. 177 is a new target for today's video. And there you go, guys, 177. So the last time I didn't put it on the screen, which was 160, we hit 160 perfectly. So assuming, again, markets continue higher, as in we don't continue to make new lows, we're going to look at 177. So 175, 177, just within that range is what I want to be looking for my next upside target. It doesn't mean that the targets up here in the $3 range, the $2 range are not valid. They are, but you got to get to 177 before you're going to get to 330, one step at a time. And yeah, so that's that. Moving averages continuing higher, which is good. Obviously 200-day rounding bottom here, 50-day trending higher. Somebody said looks like the momentum is cooling off here in Aerodrome. Potentially, I mean, you could be right. Again, though, if we're heading into an altcoin season, maybe it's not until another month out. Almost everything is going to move to the upside, so I don't see why Aerodrome would front run that and then do nothing. It's not a dead coin by any means. Something to keep your eye on is this thing has moved from the market bottom. What is that, about where are we at here? 360 or so percent. That doesn't mean it can't go another 300 or so percent to the upside. But what we want to see is the market continue to print higher highs. What we don't want to see, which could be happening here, is if this finds resistance here at $1.39 and then prints another lower low, which could be taking place, that'll be a change in trend to the downside. And again, might just be short term, but that will be a change in trend to the downside. Obviously, we've seen the top at 160, and then maybe we get a pullback down here to 98. Just speculating, guys, just speculating. Ideally, we want to see something like this, a higher low, and then a higher high. We'll see. It's one day at a time. So what we're looking for is my next target is 177, but we got to get above 139 first. Let's drop over to Bitcoin, see what's going on in the BTC chart. So Bitcoin is still in bearish territory. It's got some work to do. It's got to get its act together. It's got to get back above 111.902. It's finding resistance there. That's a bearish level. It's got to get back above 116, and ideally, to be fully out of the bearish territory, in my opinion, you got to get above 118.617. But right now, Bitcoin is flirting with bearish price action. If we go to the Bitcoin dominance chart, Bitcoin dominance had a very nice day to the upside yesterday, or 2 days ago. We collapsed yesterday and we're starting to move lower today. So if we put in another lower low, below essentially 57.69, that would be good. Over on the right hand side of the screen is the Aerodrome finance on CoinMarketCap, sitting at a number 70. So ranked 70 out of all 94, 96 active cryptocurrencies. So Aerodrome is ranked at number 70, which is pretty high out of 9,400. Let's go look at the fear and greed. We're at a 47. So a lot of fear came in the markets the other day when these markets sold off. So that is good. If you're a contrarian, let's take a look at the altcoin season index. We're at a 45. Nothing going on there, guys. Got a long way to go. We're sitting in the 40s. It's a dead space right now. We have to get into that 50s, 60s, and higher. But right now, we're at a 45. Let's go to Ethereum. It's our good indicator here. Ethereum got some work to do. Yeah, we'll see. All right, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up. Not too much of a change here yesterday, but it was good to see an update. Let's hope the lows hold. Let's get it back above 139. That's what I'll be watching. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. A lot of viewers are not yet subscribed. All links are down below, as always. Of course, not financial advice. You guys have a great Wednesday. Take care.